Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Xfinity My Account using two-step verification, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your device's web browser. Type in the Xfinity My Account URL. Press enter to navigate. Once the page loads, click on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your Xfinity username and password. After entering your credentials, click the sign in button again. If you have enabled two-step verification, a new screen will appear. This screen will ask you to verify your identity. You will have several options for verification, such as a text message or authentication app. Choose your preferred method and click Continue. If you selected text message, check your phone for a verify. Enter the code in the provided field on the screen. Then, click the Verify button. If you opted for an authentication app, open the app on your device. Retrieve the verification code generated by the app. Input that code into the designated field on the website. Then, click Verify. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be granted access to your account. If you encounter any issues, check your device's connectivity. You may also want to ensure that your phone number or app settings are correct. Now you can manage your Xfinity services securely with two-step verification activated. That concludes the authentication process. You are now ready to use your Xfinity My Account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.